Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Self-Made Kelan, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what I got in the back? Got the Camaro. I'm finna do a full tune-up. Well, not a full tune-up, but I'm finna put some spark plugs and wires on it. So yeah, hey, y'all stay tuned with me throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Yeah, man. My hood won't stay up by itself, so I gotta find somewhere to properly place these on it, so it won't come back down on me. It's gonna hit you in the head. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Got the 6.2. I don't like showing up under my hood neither, but I'm gonna show it this time. Cause you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to hide. It ain't nothing to hide. So the first thing you wanna do is, hey, this for y'all. This for y'all if y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all ain't never changed spark plugs and wires. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So you come over here. This is a V8. So we got 8 spark plugs and wires. And these the wires right here. Spark plugs is right there. You got 4 on this side and you got 4 on this side. So what I'm gonna do it one by one. One by one. One by one. I'm gonna start right here, work my way to the back on this side, then I'm gonna go to the other side. So first step, I'm gonna go ahead and lay these joints out. On these, they all should be the same length. But on most vehicles, on other vehicles, they ain't. But let me see. They all should be the same length. And they all the same length. So we good. We good right there. I'm gonna lay that out right there. Put this to the side. Go ahead and get the spark plug. Hey, my hands ashy too. Just got out the shower. My cameraman laughing at me. So this right here. A lot of female, y'all don't know what this is. This right here is a spark plug. It's a spark plug. It's a spark plug. So I'm finna go ahead and get my, hey, the tools you're gonna be needing for this right here is a 5/8. Let me show y'all. Let me get y'all some right quick. Let me show you what you're gonna be needing. Put an extension on it. Where my 5? Okay. This is the only tool you're gonna need. 5/8 extension and a ratchet. So what I'm gonna do, let me go ahead and set myself up right there. And by the way, why you need this specific 5/8 though? I'm gonna show you why. This is why you need this specific one. Actually, this one ain't got it in it. I got another one over there. It's supposed to have a magnet in it, so it won't, fall down. So it won't damage the tip of it. But I got another. I'm finna go get it in a minute. Let me go ahead and take this first one out. Stop. Hey, so I got the first wire off. You know what I'm saying? It is kind of corroded in there too, so it's multiple problems that can cause a misfire, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, take the new wire and I'm gonna slip this boot on it. Ah, dog, what's broke, y'all? Slip this boot on the new wire. This right here is like a heat shield, you know what I'm saying? So it won't melt the tip of it. All right. Now, this step, I'm gonna take my ratchet and I'm gonna break the spark plug. Well, unloosen the spark plug. This ratchet ain't no good right here. Should get it. Sometimes you gotta take the extension off. It depends on which area you in, which spark plug you on. So I'm gonna take it off on the first one. There we go. See, Once you break it like that, you can get them out with your hand. So I'm just gonna have it like this and just screw it off with my hand. I already unloosened it. Call myself unloosened. Maybe I gotta unloosen it again. That more got tight. Even better. It's a tight spot down here. Dog. Let me add this extension back. Mother, I almost said something. Boy, I almost said something, boy.
You cut this shit.
It's real tight down here, though. No count. Put your hands up. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get this spark plug out. I got a hand, I'm untightening with my hand now. You gotta knock a couple turns out in order for it, to come out. It's gonna be pretty easy though to get it out. It's a tight spot to get in, as y'all can see. There we go. I'm finna show y'all what this junk look like. There we go. So, woohoo! It was time for some spark plugs, y'all. No cap. When you see the tip burnt out like that and that gunk all around it, time for some spark plug. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna compare the new spark plugs to this one. I'm gonna show y'all what the difference is. So, old spark plug, new. Can y'all see it? What's the difference? This tip always, it's fouled out completely. So, man, this junk finna run good. This junk finna run good when I finish. I ain't gonna speak too soon though, cause something else might, come up. Something else might come up. Oh yeah, I gotta tell y'all, when y'all putting spark plugs in, start them with your hand first. Don't just put it on the ratchet and start turning. Start it with your hand first, cause you don't wanna cross any threads up. So now I'm finna find me another 5/8 socket. So I gotta find the one with the magnet in it. I got a magnet, one that stay on there. This ain't my good toolbox. This is just a scramble toolbox. So don't y'all be talking about my toolbox. 5/8. Alright. So I done got the first spark plug in and spark plug and wire in. I took the second one off. This is how it look right here. They don't look too old though. Actually, it don't look old, but the wire was tore up right there. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and take this spark plug out and rechange that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, I'm back, man. Hey, if y'all got long tube headers on y'all car, I ain't gonna lie, the spark plugs is not easy if you got long tube headers. I got this one out though. I'm hand untightening it. Cause it's hard to get a socket in there, I ain't gonna lie. God, I almost broke my back, boy. Crazy. Man, all these spark plugs was bad. All of them were bad. Oh, what's it? Yeah. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get this whole side chain, cause hey, it's a pain. Hey, I'm back with y'all. I got this side. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it was a pain. But I got all the spark plugs and wires on this side right there. As y'all can see, all new wires and spark plugs. That was the easy side. This is the hard side. If y'all can look down here, I got to take this off, and the spark plugs and wires are right along this line, and it's gonna be hard to get back in between there. But hey, I'm finna get it done though. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna try. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. I know that. But y'all stay tuned with me. Man, I'm bad with y'all, man. Got all the spark plugs and wires on it. I ain't gonna lie. That jump back there was a pain. No cap. These are my old wires and stuff, old spark plugs and everything. Trying to, you know what I'm saying, go back and clean up and stuff. Yeah, everything's straight over here. We good. Oh yeah. Oh snap. I done dropped some. Oh, I don't even know where it is. I had to see later. Whew. All the spark plugs look like this, by the way. Every last one of them. They all look like that. So this joint should fire up on a dime and it should run good. And I was getting po gas mileage. I was getting like 9 miles to a gallon. When this car, I can get probably like 25. I can get 25 with all the stuff we got done on it. So the gas mileage, I should see some better stuff on it right there. Oh, somebody's shoe. Pull the Glock out, bro.
You all got that, bro.
You said what?
You got that.
You don't need to get active.
I got my switchblade on me.
Switchblade?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to get that close on nobody. I got a long ranger and a short ranger. That's all you need. Think this y'all gonna run good?
Yeah, you already know it.
Huh?
I already know it.
Man, I'm trying to tell them, bro. I do this, man. I don't gotta take my stuff to no shop. If it ain't major, you know what I'm saying? Some little stuff like that, I can do it myself. I do that myself. We need to do this though before I was. Need to glue this. Cause ain't no way. Where did he get that off? Need to glue this back down. This joint here came off. You coming out too? There we go. Yes, sir. I got some super glue. I gotta glue this right here back down on it right there. This joint here came up, so I'm gonna run me a little stream of glue on it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. It ain't nothing but a like a little PCV hose, a little vacuum hose. Need to clean up right there a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go down. Oh, but they trying to call me out. I appreciate that.
Go on up there then, bro.
Huh?
Go on up there.
Shoot, nah, I won't come back. I won't come back, my guy. No, you ain't coming with me.
It's something to come, bro.
Yeah.
Leave that man behind over there.
All right, that's how it's supposed to be, my guy. That's how it's supposed to be.
Yes, sir.
Oh, snap, man. I hate getting super glue. Bro, that's why I hate getting super glue in my hand, man. God, dog, boy. I hate that. I hate that, man.
You still want to go?
God, dog, boy. I hate getting super glue in my hand, man. Ain't no way. I hate getting super glue in my hand. I hate that. That's one thing I do hate. Now I'm finna put my my reservoir box back on, y'all. Finna put this box back on right now. Let me see. So just laying in here like this. No, they jump backwards. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping, my guy. I'm tripping. Okay, here we go, right here. This, there we go. Okay, so these holes go right here. Go right there. Like that. It's right there. Super glue, man. These are the holes I had tucked to the side. Go right there. There we go. Hope this stick don't make the hood hit my head. You gonna laugh at me.
So I'm gonna duck too.
There we go. Okay, that's on there, that's on there. Gonna fill this back up now. First, I'm gonna run a little more beam of glue on that. Be safe. Yeah. Just a little bead to be safe. Oh, snap. Scared me a little bit. Better safe than sorry. It's gonna work though. Super glue fix everything.
Yeah, put Gorilla Glue.
Yeah, that'll help too. Yeah. So now what we finna do is, okay, fill my jug back up. Let me fill my jug back up. Water. That's the radiator on hold. You be like, what the world? First jug I just used the drain out of it.
Just tossed it. Just tossed it, bro.
I'm gonna clean up. You know I clean up my stuff, bro.
Yeah, I know. Just saying the way you threw it.
Make sure this ain't the water. Oh no, bro. I give you $5,000. You drink this. Bro, you slow, bro.
I'm playing with you.
Bro, you gonna be on, bro.
But hey, you finna drink that shit.
It's about 70 degrees out here. You gonna be froze, literally.
Let me smell
It's
it.
antifreeze, man. Don't smell it, boy. Hey, you crazy, boy. You gotta do something.
Yeah, I ain't trying to kill myself, man.
Y'all all just playing with it too, so don't go home and do that. It's just the same color Gatorade, my Gatorade. boy. I feel like these jump finna run good. Let me see. Hey, now I'm finna start this jump up, y'all. I did a full tune-up, you know what I'm saying? It had a misfire to it, but I'm finna start it back up now. Let me plug this PCV valve back up. Oh, dog, that junk ain't even on there all the way. Oh my Lord. It's gonna work though. All right, moment which I've been waiting for. Let me check my oil first. You good on oil, my guy? Get the view, like stand right here and get this jump. Right here. Moment, what y'all been waiting for, man? Let's see how healthy she sound. I hope it, please, cross your hands, y'all. Let it please be right. Please be right. Please, please, please. Y'all can see, man, we back healthy. And my tires, I gotta go put some air in my tires, y'all. We got low. We back healthy. I ain't never heard it run like this. I ain't never heard it run like this, y'all. I'm gonna let the hood down. Get that stick from me, my guy. Finna take it up the road. What we talking about? Hey, I'm in this junk, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what to do for you. Oh yeah, we sound healthy. You ain't gotta put your seatbelt on, man. I ain't finna go crazy. I'm not finna go crazy, my boy. No, you gotta try to get out this junk first. Missing the hole over there. Yeah, straight. It mud so low.
So thinking.
Y'all, this just sound healthy though. I ain't gonna lie. My tires, it's flat in the back, so I ain't gonna do too much. I ain't gonna go crazy. Air tank. Timmy got air tank on.
Yeah.
Keep it on the road. That top low, though. I feel it. Sound healthy. Okay. Yeah, I just put some air in the tire now. You know what I'm saying? I think we ready now, y'all. I think we ready. Let's see though. See what we talking about. Talking bad. Let's see what we hitting on. Get out of the way, my guy. We healthy. Woo! We healthy.
Crazy
motherfucker. We healthy. But hey, I'm finna go switch cars with my mama. I'm finna get her a car. You know what I'm saying? Tonight Valentine's night. So, low key. Oh snap.
Valentine's night.
Yeah, Valentine's Day, Valentine's night. But we low key tonight. So I'm finna go switch cars with her right quick. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got somebody behind me, y'all. They want some action. Truck right there, this boy got a little sneaker or something in. Turn my copyright on. Now they tell me I had the copyright on. See, he gonna try to bite. I know he gonna probably try to bite. I'm gonna slow down though. I got done today. I'm eating like this because I got oil on my hand. I'm driving like this because I'm eating. And eating because I'm hungry. Oh, snap. Yeah. But yeah, it was just a video right here, you know what I'm saying, showing y'all if y'all got a 6th gen Camaro, 2016 Camaro or above, really any Camaro, how to put the spark plugs in it, spark plugs and wires in it, do a little tune up and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna be tuned with some more content and stuff on y'all on the Camaro. I just switched cars with my mama today, but y'all stay tuned.
Rule number one, nigga, show no love. My nigga, this shit.